We are in the middle of the desert.
Shit, just hold it.
Wow.
2-2-1. Nice. First shot was 178.
I see that. Don't put them right next to each other, real nice.
All right.
Nothing wrong with the P-320.
Oh, it's a Bravo. I hit somewhere 2 in here and then. So 1.62 draw, 2.43 total time, splits at a 4.6. Oh, Tony.
Wow, wow.
Shooter ready. Yep. Stand by. Not bad, Blake.
No. John, hell diver!
I missed it. It was okay. I could have gone faster. Look at how floppy I am. I'm like,
well, that was awful.
that was your fast. That was his fast. Slower draw, slower time. Put 2 A zones in right in that A zone.
The jolster.
Joester. 5.56, 0.28 split. That's what I did. Yeah, I suck. I'm bad. I'm bad at the game.
How do you feel, Mr. Wick?
I feel pretty cool. Felt cool after that, but I wish I finished the drill and didn't have to reload so I could actually get good time.
Still faster than Robert.
The gun industry doesn't want you to know this, but good triggers are free. Just pull the trigger harder.
Don't suck, Mike.
Come on! Bro, they put witness holes on the back of the mags for a reason.
I didn't have whatever ammo was in there.
Oh! Oh yeah, vectored!
Oh yeah.
Vectored!